कप 2025-26 विदर्भ के सामने रेस्ट ऑफ इंडिया और हमें यहाँ जामता नागपुर में।
Heads.
Heads is the call. Tails it is. Ball one of the ZR Irani Cup. And on the money. That's something that is a given with Anshul Kamboj. Beautiful. Not the full throttle, but just a little push because that's all it needed. Beautiful shot. The flex and fluidity of the limb, the echo of mind and muscle. Gorgeous.
Loud appeal. Loud appeal. The umpire unmoved. Well, he's taken the review.
Yeah, I can see a clear spike as the ball is next to the bat. Bat involved. Going back to Rohan on field. So Rohan, please change your decision to out. You are on screen.
खराब गेंदबाजी.
Beautifully struck down the ground. That's gone all the way. Intent. Gone. That pitched on middle. Hit off. You were talking. Appeal again, and given. Gone is Danish Malivar.
अभी कहना थोड़ा गलत होगा क्योंकि अभी बात कर रहे हैं छठा ओवर डाल रहे हैं लेकिन दिशाहीन गेंदबाजी. सोचने की जरूरत है कि लंच के समय कोचेज आपसे क्या बात करते हैं और जब आप थोड़ा तेज डालने की कोशिश करते हैं ना तो टर्न नहीं मिलता. ये सोचना होगा. लेकिन इस समय है लंच का.
सेशन के बाद का खेल. इससे बढ़िया कंडीशंस आपको नहीं मिल सकते बल्लेबाजी के लिए.
That'll go for 4. That is his 50.
Really well struck this. He's found the gap between the two fielders. Will get the boundary.
He just keeps pegging away. He'll keep the...
There it is, 50 for Rathod in this big Irani Cup. Applause there from the coach. Captain out there as well. It's nice to see your coach, captain stand out there and acknowledge what you've done. Sparse crowd that's come in has enjoyed this innings as well. Oh, he took his chances and it worked to the left of. Will pick up the single, will keep strike as well. Just wait for the umpire. And he says over and time for tea. That's the end of the second session.
क्योंकि इन दोनों ने जिस तरह की बल्लेबाजी की है स्पिनर्स के खिलाफ, तेज गेंदबाजों के खिलाफ.
That will go for 4. That's beautifully picked up. He's moved on to 80 now. Wow.
ये कदमों का इस्तेमाल. इस बार हवा में रन जाएंगे यहाँ पर.
There it is, steps out and big, hits big. That is another way of going to 100. That's nicely played, made room and cut.
Down the track, down the ground, that's gone big. It's gone all the way and there. Down the track again, this one's in the air. Gurnur Brar under it and he's taken it. A big moment this in the game. Yash Rathod, 9 short of that coveted 100 mark. Vidarbha against the run of play lose their 4th wicket.
Whoa! Peach! Perla! Little bit of a nip away. One brings two is what Ashok Malhotra said. And here we go. And there were plenty. And then there was a snap of the 1983 World Cup winning. And there was just Mr. Man Singh over there, the lone one. Finally. Stevens or any team ahead, Ashok Malhotra?
Welcome and wishing you all a very, very happy Dussehra. Triumph of good over evil. Yes, it's the IDFC First Bank Irani Cup and we are coming to you live from the Jamta, Nagpur. पहले दिन का खेल 280 रन बनाए टॉस जीत के पहले बल्लेबाजी करते हुए विदर्भ ने और उन्होंने अपनी 5 विकेट खोई, लेकिन अच्छी बात यह है कि अथर्व टाइडे अभी भी 118 रन बना के है नाबाद। आज ये दूसरा दिन और उसकी शुरुआत एक बार फिर अंशुल कर रहे हैं, लेकिन इस बार दूसरी नई गेंद के साथ।
Well, the only good thing there was a hint of away movement. Fortuitous boundary this for Atharva Taide. There'll be a boundary. Loud appeal, and up goes the finger. Appeal again. Now, there it is. Up goes the finger once again.
Big hit. Is it big enough? Stand and deliver.
पास और ये लीजिए, यही मैं बात कर रहा था, परेशान कर रहे हैं यहाँ पर दर्शन नालकंडे को और परेशानी हमारे सामने आई।
That's put away very nonchalantly. There was fine leg, there was deep square leg, but he picked the gap to precision.
Oh, that's beautifully bowled and cleaned up. Is it a brain fade? You know, because you're expecting the ball to turn, where hardly any ball was turning.
पहुंच गई गेंद, पहली स्लिप पे थे, फिर वही गेंद जो एंगल के साथ सीधी जा रही थी और बाहरी किनारा वो गेंद लेकर गई।
Drifted down the leg side. This is the only problem is.
Will it go for 4? Yeah, it will. Streaky, but will go for 4.
नहीं, तेज गति से ओवर की समाप्ति और साथ साथ लंच की घोषणा।
22 runs. Play is the call, and we're away. Off the mark straight away after lunch. Very intentional. Waited on it and just opened the face of the bat. But again, erring in length and line this time.
Oh, mighty close! Mighty close! He's got his man! That is an appeal!
TV umpire to director, we have a player review for LW. On-field decision is out. Ball is close to the bat. Ultra edge, please. Keep rolling, keep rolling. Flat line when the ball passes the bat. No bat involved. Pitching outside off. Impact in line. Wickets umpire's call. Going back to Kanwur on field.
That's nicely struck down the ground. One bounce, just breaking the shackles is.
He hasn't learnt his lesson. Didar.
94 पे 2, 32 ओवर का खेल हुआ है और समय यहाँ जॉय अब चाय का है, ये दूसरे दिन।
And start of session 3 on day 2. On the money straight away, but I'd like to see him pitch the ball up. Very, very streaky. We'll have to wait for the umpires. Abhimanyu Ishwaran's 50 in a very fortuitous fashion.
Just a little room outside off stump. Beautiful. How good is this? Class. In the air is gone. That's a trap.
शॉट डिलीवरी ऑफ स्टंप के बाहर, उसको खेला, नीचे रखने में कामयाब हुए नहीं, फील्डर वहां मौजूद था। ये नजदीकी मामला हो सकता है। इम्पैक्ट कहां पर है?
Review taken.
TV umpire to director, we have a player review for LBW. Yeah, keep rolling. Flat line as the ball passes the bat. No bat involved. Pitching outside off. Impact in line. Wicket hitting. Going back to Kannur on field.
Oh, nicely played off the back foot. Punch through covers for 4. Oh, that's nicely played. Beautifully driven through covers for 4. That is what Vivek has been talking about. Nicely played. End of the over. 142 for 5. Rest of it.
दिया जाए तो आज का मैच यहां पर समाप्त।
यहाँ पे खड़ा है ये मुकाबला। 342 रन विदर्भ ने बनाए थे अपनी पहली इनिंग में। अथर्व ताइडे की वो शानदार पारी 143 रनों की, और उसके जवाब में रेस्ट ऑफ इंडिया 142 पे 5 हैं इस वक्त, और रेखड़े जो हैं वो 2 विकेट ले चुके हैं 24 रन दे के अब तक सबसे सफल गेंदबाज।
Ball 1, day 3. Oh! Loud appeal. Did that just nick the pad? Is there a bit of bat? Questions galore, answers few.
रिव्यू लिया है आपने, गेंद का टप्पा कहाँ पड़ा?
TV umpire to director, we have a player review for LBW. On field decision is not out. Ball is close to the bat. Can we confirm it with ultra, please? Yeah, I can see gap between bat and ball. Pitching in line, impact in line, wicket hitting. Going back to your on-screen signal out.
Beautiful. Too full, and the straightness of the bat.
बेहतरीन शॉट और इसी के साथ अर्धशतक पूरा। रजत पाटीदार जैसे
Gone! Cleaned him up. That's what Yash Thakur has done so well, and he points to the dressing room. Played away. Very lucky, the top edge. The wicket keeper after it won't get there.
हवा में रन जाएंगे यहां पर आकाशदीप के बल्ले से।
Beautiful. Going for the Yorker, and he brings that bat down very, very quickly. Up in the air, that's an easy chance. Big hit. This long off is in play. More height than distance. They don't drop catches. They're Ranji Trophy champions.
बाहर गया ये गेंद। लीजिए, कमाल का शॉट खेला कवच के ऊपर से। यहां पर 4 रन आएंगे कंबोज के बल्ले से।
8 from this one. 2-1, 2 for 9.
That's in the air. There is a fielder there. Nice, easy catch. The
अलग नजर आया है तो वो यश ठाकुर रहे। 214 रन इस तरह से बने। 2 अर्धशतक नजर आए ईश्वरन और रजत पाटीदार के बल्ले से।
Well, really important session this. We'll take a short break, and when we come back, it'll be live action when Vidarbha come out to bat in their second innings. Aman plays the call. Second innings underway. That's nicely played. Easy pickings. Didn't need a second invitation.
कदमों का इस्तेमाल। Lofted shot.
That's nicely bowled. Good turn. Ball. End of the over. A good over from Saranch. And this is time for lunch.
So the main player is back. Oh. Sharp eyes, Vivek Razdan. Up in the air, there's a chance. Deep mid wicket. Yes. Oh, there's a noise. Is there a noise? It's given. It has been given. Going back in the game. Whoa. God, what a shot.
Of course, they ended with bad light, but they were still short over rate needs to improve. Something needs to be done. End of the over. Tea on day 3. It's been a
Play was suspended soon after tea because of bad light. The umpires give Vidarbha Cricket Association Stadium here in Nagpur. It's the IDFC First Bank Irani Cup 25-26 Day 4 Session 1 between Vidarbha, the Ranji champions, and the rest of India. It's a massive game in the BCCI Senior Men's Domestic Calendar. This is how the game spanned out. Day 4, ball 1. Nicely tucked to fine leg. Close, mighty close. Is it pad? Is it bat pad? That's the question.
और अगर बल्ले का किनारा लगा है तो कैच हुआ है.
TV umpire to director. We have a player review for LBW. On-field decision is not out. And ball is close to the bat. Ultra, please. I can see bat is ahead of the pads. Okay. Bat involved. Catch to out. You're on screen.
Whoa! Is he gone? Mighty close. Mighty close. Gone. Absolute half volley. It's been clobbered. Whoa! Where did that come from? Huge. Massive. He's taken on the fielder.
स्लॉक स्वीप. ये लीजिए, बिल्कुल ढूंढ लिया फील्डर और कैच पकड़ लिया गया है.
What a way to go into lunch. 150 scalps under his belt in his career. Just take a look at that. Straight to Rajat Patidar, who doesn't make any mistake.
लंच से पहले जो कोशिश थी कि विकेट नहीं होना चाहिए. 28.4 ओवर 59 रन, 5 विकेट्स गंवाए हैं आज विदर्भा ने. और रन
Leading rest of India in day 4 by 283 runs. Saransh Jain, who was so good in that Duleep Trophy that concluded last month. He was the man of the series as well. And there it is, post-class session on day 4.
कैप मिल गया.
ये बेहतरीन शॉट, कोई मौका नहीं. 4 रन. अच्छा यॉर्क करने की कोशिश.
That's it. There is an appeal, but the batsman walking.
Yeah. Off. That's the one they were looking for. The silly point fielder waiting for a while.
कई बार आप देखते हैं कि शॉर्ट लेग पे आप खिलाड़ी को खड़ा कर देते.
ओह, जबरदस्त शॉट. अच्छा करारा प्रहार, कदमों का बेहतरीन इस्तेमाल.
4 times by rest of India. Oh! What a catch!
कमाल का कैच.
Vidarbha in their second innings. Except Rathore and Rekade, everybody into double figures. Also,
पहला गेंद. और रफ दे के हवा में मदद मिलेगी नाम पर. बाहरी किनारा.
God! He's deserved that!
रन जाएंगे यहाँ पर. 4 रन. कमाल का स्वीप किया यहाँ पर ईश्वरन ने.
LBW appeal gone!
End of the over. After 12, 30 for 2. And time for drinks.
जी हाँ, लड़ना होगा आज यहाँ रेस्ट ऑफ इंडिया को, क्योंकि ये 5वां और अंतिम दिन है इस IDFC फर्स्ट बैंक ईरानी कप का. यहाँ पे ये मुकाबला खड़ा है. अगर आप देखें कि आप 30 पे 2 हैं और अभी भी यहाँ से आपको 331 रन बनाने हैं ये मैच जीतने के लिए.
yourself included. He's taken on the fielder. Whoa! Massive wicket! What a catch!
In the arm. Oh yes, oh yes. I did hear that, Nick. Big moment this. Rituraj Gaikwad will make that long walk back to the pavilion.
That will go for 4 as well. Hurdle for the point fielder over the cover fielder. Up in the air, is there a chance? There is a chance! Gone!
Oh, बेहतरीन शॉट, एक और 4.
और खास तौर पे बोनस पॉइंट. बहुत बढ़िया टाइमिंग है ये.
That's nicely bowled. There it goes. End of the over. And time for lunch. 4 by Compose, but rest of India in reply. 156 for 6, still trailing by 205 runs.
Just keeps pounding away every ball. Right questions. Very handsy player is Yashtul. Always looking for... There you go. Steps out and hits it clearly.
लेकिन ये अगर आप कहें कि क्या इन्होंने आपको रणजी ट्रॉफी जिता दी, नहीं, वो बात सही नहीं होगी, क्योंकि बाकी भी खिलाड़ी हैं जिन्होंने बड़ा महत्वपूर्ण योगदान दिया है. अर्धशतक यहाँ यश ढुल के नाम प्रेरित होते हैं.
Superb hit.
That's a really good shot. Waited on it. That's beautifully cut away.
Whoa! Gone for 4 again. Game on. Whoa! Just inside maybe.
Coveted 362. Beautifully struck this. In the air though. Gone! What an anticlimax! Gone! 2 and 2. He's really turning on the heat here. Thakur and the crowd both come alive. Nicely negotiated. The intention was good. It was full. It was straight. Should run away for a boundary. Gone! That's 50 for Manav Sutar. Really well played in this Irani Cup game. Down the track, down the ground. Will be a boundary. This time he goes for it, and it's gone many a mile. In the air, this is the moment. There it is. That's what dreams are made up of. Champagne wishes and caviar dreams. That's victory for Vidarbha.
3 बार ईरानी कप खेलने उतरी विदर्भ और तीनों बार विदर्भ ने ये खिताब जीता है. तीसरी बार ईरानी कप जीतने में कामयाब हुई है.